How to share someone's story on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can share someone's story on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to share someone's story on Instagram, there are normally two types of scenarios. One if you are mentioned in the story, the other is if you aren't mentioned in the story. So if you are mentioned in the story, let's say what happens is that whenever you are tagged in a story, you will be able to share them just like this person has, as you will find the option called add this to your story option from the bottom. But that only works if you are mentioned in the story. However, if you are not mentioned in the story, what you can actually do, if it's a particular photo, then what you can do is just go ahead and then basically take a screenshot of that particular story, or if it's a video, you can go ahead and then try to take a screen recording, and once done you can just come back and then go ahead and try to upload your story. Select that photo or video, and once you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and then even mention that person by tapping this icon here and then just adding their person's username, and then you should be able to share with them. This way you can share someone's story on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, of course feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.